I am Maria Febiti Dianzan, but you can call me Feb. Here's a fun fact. My name, Febby, comes from a comic book hero that my mom absolutely adores. She was so inspired by the character that she decided to name me after her. You might think my name is Febby because I was born in February. But surprise! I was actually born in January. I live in Purok 9, Rufo Manyara Street, Rosary Heights 11, Cotabato City. A community where tradition and modernity blend beautifully. The people here are incredibly warm and welcoming, deeply rooted in a rich culture that mixes indigenous practices with Islamic traditions. The serene environment, surrounded by lush greenery and a close-knit atmosphere, make everyone feel like family. It's a place where the past and present come together, creating a truly unique and inviting home. I came from a loving and supportive family. My parents are Ferdinand N. Dionzan and Lucinda T. Dionzan. I'm really proud of my dad, who's a skilled carpenter, and my mom, who's a fantastic housewife. She not only keeps our home running smoothly, but also makes sure our family stays close and cared for. I have 4 siblings, and together, we enjoy a modest yet comfortable life. Family means everything to us, and our strong bonds are built on love, respect, and faith. So, I graduated from Notre Dame RVM College of Cotabato, a place that felt like a second home to me. It's where my values and academic foundation were shaped, with a focus on excellence, faith, and service. The school filled my mind with knowledge, and my heart with a passion for making a difference. I'm so grateful for the amazing experiences and lessons there, and I'm ready and excited to take on whatever challenges come my way. When I was a kid, I always dreamed of being in the medical field because I always wanted to serve and help others. As I grew older, I realized that my passion for helping others could take a different path. So now, I'm diving into a Bachelor of Science in Accountancy. Numbers have always intrigued me, and I love how finance is at the heart of every business. I chose this course because I want to start my own company one day and make my dream of helping people a reality. I know the road ahead will be challenging, but I'm ready to drive on it with determination. I'm excited about the journey, eager to sharpen my skills, and ready to dive into the world of finance. So why did I choose SCC? I chose Southern Christian College because it's known for its academic excellence and nurturing environment. Plus, Mr. Ariel Habagat, who was my subject teacher at Notre Dame RVM College of Cotabato, had such great things to say about SCC that I had to check it out. I'm confident that SCC will provide me with the knowledge, skills, and values I need to succeed. I'm looking forward to the opportunity to be challenged, to grow, and to build a strong foundation for my future. I can't wait to join a vibrant community of learners and mentors who share my passion for personal and professional growth. I'm ready to make the most of every opportunity and contribute to the SCC's dynamic environment. My ultimate goal right now is to become a successful certified public accountant and make a positive impact on my community. I plan to achieve this by staying committed to my studies, continuously learning, and gaining practical experience through internships and real-world exposure. I know there will be challenges along the way, like the rigorous coursework, balancing time, and potential financial hurdles. But I'm determined to tackle them with perseverance and hard work. In 10 years, I see myself as a certified public accountant, maybe working for a reputable firm or even running my own business. I hope to be in a position where I can give back to my community and help others achieve their dreams, just as I'm working towards mine. Thank you all for listening and getting to know a bit more about me. I'm truly excited about the journey ahead and eager to embrace every opportunity that comes my way. I'm looking forward to the challenges, growth, and amazing experiences that Southern Christian College and my future career have in store. If you have any questions or just want to connect, feel free to reach out. Here's to the exciting road ahead and making the most of every moment. Have a fantastic day, everyone.